Ah. Look what my mom gave me. This is disgusting. Am I supposed to see this? Ah.
What's that?
This is the worst trip I ever say.
Is it a
Oh, whatever it is.
It's alive, for one thing. And you're playing with your food. Do you have tentacles?
No, but I
Things on
think.
the end?
No, but I think.
Where's the antennas?
It's
Where'd the antennas go?
He knows SpongeBob.
Hey.
No, where's the antennas?
Open it up.
I'm Mr. Krabs.
The eyeballs.
Hey, open that up all the way and just put it.
Yeah, right.
SpongeBob, you're fired.
So the tentacles are on the front of it, right? Oh, crap.
Here, I'll hold it for him.
Oh, no. Sequence. Ew. Ew. He's gonna eat you up before you eat him. Oh, and look at that. Well, now that is a shrimp. There is legs on that crab hole.
I told you.
There's legs
I told you.
on that big. Have you seen one that big? That's a shrimp.
Remember I was telling you?
And that's a
Lobster, whatever.
Crawfish.
That's crawfish.
Crawfish.
Okay. Now,
Do they
Here.
have?
you take this. That goes bye-bye.
What was that?
That goes bye-bye. No, hang on. That goes bye-bye.
What's he taking off? Is he taking all your shrimp? So it's really not as big as it looked.
Well, because you don't want to eat the head.
Oh, you said you eat itchy.
No, I would not eat.
There's
That's right.
eyeballs on that crawfish.
I know, I tried the
Was there?
eyeballs
Yeah. You tried eyeballs before?
on a fish.
Yeah, and loved it.
No, I did not. I spit out one, ate,
You-
swallowed one.
You
Did you
ate
chew it?
one, you spit out one, and then you ate the other one.
I
Now,
think-
Well, hey, I didn't like it at all.
now
Wait,
taste
Do you
this.
want to warm it? Look at your hand. Get out of the video, Mr. Man. Get your hand out.
Now, crawfish is the only thing that you eat is a tail.
Okay.
So that comes out like that,
Alright.
and then the tentacles, they come off.
You gotta show the video because they can't see it. Hey, they can't see the video right here because your hands are turned. And but then turn it back to him and then let him
And
talk
then-
about his food. But how do you like that big shrimp though?
Yeah.
Did you like it? Was it spicy?
And then that just comes out with a tail. See?
Good. Where's your meat?
All the meat is right here.
Okay, I get it.
Now, you can eat the claws.
How?
See that?
No, you don't eat the shell, but
You spit out the shell and eat the meat in it.
There's meat
Right.
in there?
Mm-hmm.
If you can get them apart.
Yeah, like
and sometimes it's a bitch.
PG.
Yeah. You got it on video.
Well, that was a cracker. Well, I put them on so I can see the eyeball, but
Oh, did you take the head off already? Show her the eyeballs.
show me your eyeball. You hold it. You hold it, Luke. Show me the eyeball.
It's over here.
I show you the eyeballs.
Oh! Ah! They are. God,
pull out of your cheek.
No. No. No.
Maybe it'll turn into a prince. Kiss it.
Oh God.
Hey,
I almost lost my hair.
no, here. That's
Where's
That's
the
the
butter at?
claw.
Did you bring butter?
no. That's the claw. There's really, I mean,
What's the
Claw,
claw
claw.
taste like? What does that taste like?
the claw.
Wait, just let me see. Wait,
Is-
do you think it's
It takes a lot to eat out of the claw.
Yeah, it just
Right.
tastes the same as the tail. I don't know what the tail tastes like.
Okay,
I
Here.
just want to eat it though. Wait,
Okay, so maybe it does taste a
okay,
little
you put it
different.
in your hand.
It's a little saltier, huh?
Oh, there is a bone right there.
it's not a bone.
Then what is it?
It's not. Here, it's meat.
Well, let him give it to him.
It's good, isn't it?
Mhm.
It's tasty.
Okay,
Okay.
You want to get your monster and talk about him.
I'm just trying to eat my tail
Now.
with some.
I know.
This here, you take and grab the tail,
Of course I
Oh,
know.
he
And
knows
the-
that kind.
and the rest
Wait,
is
All right, all
meat.
right, all right, all right.
keep his little head so he can